turn work into play. The science of fun productivity. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Empowerment 888 channel. That is me, Professor William. I am happy to be back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to change the way you think about work forever. What if I told you that you could turn your work into play? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, science says it's possible. Stick around because in the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to make work feel like play. And yes, it's backed by research. What does it mean to turn work into play? First, let's break it down. Turning work into play doesn't mean slacking off or ignoring responsibilities. It's about finding ways to make tasks more engaging, enjoyable, and even fun. Think about it. When you're playing a game, you're focused, motivated, and often in a state of flow. What if you could bring that same energy to your work? The science behind play and productivity. Now, let's talk about the science. Studies show that play activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, the feel-good chemical that boosts motivation and focus. According to research from the Journal of Experimental Psychology, tasks that feel like play can increase creativity and problem-solving skills by up to 50%. Another study from the University of Colorado found that people who approach tasks with a playful mindset are more likely to persist through challenges and come up with innovative solutions. So, play isn't just fun, it's a productivity superpower. How to turn work into play. 5 practical tips. Okay, now that we know the science, let's get practical. Here are 5 proven ways to turn work into play. Tip 1. Gamify your tasks host. Voiceover with visuals of a to-do list turning into a game board. Turn your tasks into a game. Set challenges, reward yourself for completing them, and track your progress. For example, if you're working on a big project, break it into smaller milestones and give yourself points for each one. Apps like Habitica can help you gamify your to-do list. Tip 2. Add an element of creativity host on camera. Find ways to make your work more creative. If you're writing a report, try using colorful visuals or storytelling techniques. If you're crunching numbers, turn your data into an infographic. Creativity makes work feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Tip 3. Use the power of music host. Voiceover with visuals of someone working with headphones on. Research from Stanford University shows that music can improve focus and make repetitive tasks more enjoyable. Create a playlist that energizes you and matches the pace of your work. Just avoid lyrics if you're doing something that requires deep concentration. Tip 4. Work in short, playful bursts host on camera. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break to do something fun, like doodling, stretching, or playing a quick game. This keeps your brain fresh and makes work feel less overwhelming. Tip 5. Reframe your mindset. Host. Voiceover with visuals of someone smiling while working. Finally, shift your mindset. Instead of thinking, I have to do this, ask yourself, how can I make this fun? Studies show that simply reframing your attitude toward a task can make it feel more enjoyable and less stressful. Real-life examples. Still not convinced? Let's look at some real-life examples. Companies like Google and Zappos are famous for incorporating play into their work culture. Google's offices have slides, game rooms, and even Lego stations to spark creativity. And guess what? Their employees are some of the most productive in the world. Even schools are catching on. Research from Harvard University shows that students who learn through play retain information better and are more engaged. So, if it works for kids, why not adults? All right, it's your turn. Pick one of these tips and try it out this week. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to test. I'd love to hear how it goes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little more play in their work life. Remember, work doesn't have to be boring. With the right mindset and a little creativity, you can turn even the most mundane tasks into something fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep playing and stay productive.